Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the angry playtime from Baldi's Basic. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this silly character, and to begin with, just gonna draw his eyes first. So he's gonna have a really mean brow. So I'm just gonna draw almost like a little check mark like this on one side. And then on this side, it's gonna be a little bit higher. Okay, so that's gonna be the mean brow, and then now for the eyeball, so we're gonna come down the corner, just draw in a curve, and then on this side as well. And then we'll just add in 2 little dots, nice and creepy. Okay, and then for his nose, right in the middle here, just come over to this side slightly, just draw a U shape. So it's off-centered, and for his mouth, so we're gonna just curve this one all the way down. So it's a really mean face. And this one's a little bit shorter. And then once we have this curve at the end here, just gonna draw like a little U shape around it. Okay, and then from here, we're just gonna come down. This one's a little bit straighter, and then just close this off. So that's gonna be his neck and the top of his shirt. And then now let's finish up the head. So on the top here, you can come in the center here. I'm just gonna draw one little angle first. And then on each side, I'm gonna come out. So one, and then we'll draw another one. Okay, so once you have this, we're gonna go all the way around. So I'm gonna draw 1, 2, and 3. And then right here, one line. One curve, and then we're just gonna close that off. Okay, and then on this side, 1, 2, that one's bigger, and then a smaller one, and then just connect back. Oh, and I almost forgot his eyes. Right underneath the eyeball, just drawing a little curve like this to give it some nice, makes it look a lot meaner with some bags. And he's got some curves up here, so I don't know, I'm just gonna draw one curve around it. Let's see how that looks. It's kind of weird redrawing these because they look like little chicken scratches in the game, but that's how the character looks, right? So we're just gonna draw them that way. Okay, so then let's draw in his arms. So on this side here, we're gonna draw this one first. Just come up all the way here. Down, and then we're gonna slant all the way down here. Okay, and then on this side, we're gonna come down, just continue that line. So it's coming out pretty far out. Down, and then we're gonna come back in here. I know it's really odd, right? Okay, and then from here, you can draw, just come down like this first so you can kind of visualize the spacing. And then once you have this, let's draw this one first. Big angle. And then this one we're gonna come down, straight down. One more angle right around here. And then we'll just close that off. Alright, and then his arm. So let's finish up his hand. So his hand just kind of curve out on each side. And then this one's gonna be bigger. Almost like a box. Triangle, and then just connect that. And then lastly, just add one little line here. And then for the other hand, it's gonna be out, pretty far out. And then the lower part is just gonna be a little bit shorter. And then this is gonna be a little triangle. And now we're just gonna come up a little curve like that. And then from this corner here, we'll just draw one big curve coming in and connect that. Okay, so let's draw in his legs. So for his legs, let's start out with this one. We'll come down, and then on right here, we're just gonna go out. And then we're gonna come in and just kind of turn it a little bit and connect that. And then for his foot, just come down. And then again, same thing, just go up slightly. And then here we're gonna come down, just kind of pinch it in. Okay, and then the other one's gonna be a little bit thinner. Curve, and then here, just curve out. Close it. And then shoe right here, it's almost in the middle, just come out. Go up, and then we're just gonna draw one big bulb coming back in. And that is it for this angry playtime. So hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please check out my other videos, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.